Honorable members, if the House agrees, the lunch hour may be dispensed with, and the House may sit late till 8 p.m. today to avail the time allotted to the general discussion on the budget. Do I have leave of the House to dispense with the lunch hour and sit late today? Accordingly. Wait, hold on. I know. Honorable members, I have received 7 notices under Rule 267. Sri Sudhanshu Trivedi, Sri Ramchandra Jangda, Sri Surender Singh Nagar, Ms. Swati Maliwal, Dr. John Britas, and they have demanded discussion on the tragic death of UPSC aspirants in Delhi due to negligence of authorities. Sri Pramod Tiwari, member, has demanded discussion on the problems being faced by Bharat Immunologicals and Biologicals Corporation Limited and its employees. Srimati Priyanka Chaturvedi has demanded discussion on corruption in the public infrastructure project undertaken by the Maharashtra state government. Honorable members, I gave due attention and sought counsel from other members also. I find that youth demographic dividend of the country has to be nurtured. I further find that coaching has become virtually commerce. Every time we read a newspaper, front 1 or 2 pages are by way of advertisements. In a country where opportunities are getting enlarged, this silo is turning out to be a problem. The honorable members have raised an issue. I deem it appropriate to have a short duration discussion or a calling attention, first under 176 or under Rule 180. For that, I will confer with the leaders of the parties immediately after after 0 hour begins in my chamber. Mr. Nagar, sorry, Mr. I will not permit. No. 1 second. One second. Take your seat. Mr. Leader of the House, please. Leader of the House. You don't listen to your leader. Honorable members, I had indicated, and you will recollect, that 267 has always been when the two parties agree. I have sought the counsel from the other party also. And I have from the main opposition party that they do not favor this 267. And this was conveyed to me by Shri Jairam Ramesh in categorical terms. If you all agree, then only I will go ahead with 267. I realize the importance of it. In the entire country, there is a concern for youth. But I will go by the tradition. And the tradition has been that 267 will take place when the at least principal parties agree. So at my level, I have done my best. I am taking recourse to the second. In that also, which forum we adopt, I will seek counsel from the leaders at the earliest and have it today. Yes, yes.
From the chair, you have already mentioned about the gravity of the situation with regards to the future of the youth. Now, many honorable members have already placed a notice before you, and you have already acknowledged the importance of the matter. Now, since there are many members from this side of the House, they want urgent discussion because the matter is urgent. If the Congress party also agree, and to the extent if all the honorable members agree, we can take it up under Rule 267. Otherwise, you have already stated that you want to take it up under appropriate rule. No, he can speak after. He can speak after the
honorable members.
After the discussion starts.
One second. एक बार. I will. 1 second. Honorable members. 1 second. Honorable members, I will hear every section of the House, but you wait for your turn. Yes, you may please.
पॉइंट इतना ही है, जिस रूल में भी चर्चा करें लेकिन तुरंत होना चाहिए क्योंकि मैटर अर्जेंट है. इसीलिए सर जितना अर्जेंटली मैटर को हम चर्चा में ला सकते हैं उतना उपयोगी होगा. मैंने इतना ही कहना आपको.
देखिए, ऑनरेबल पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर, आई विल सीक गाइडेंस फ्रॉम leader of the opposition, because I have taken a view, going by the past healthy precedents, that 267 will be invoked only when principal parties and other leaders agree to it. Khadge ji. No, Mr. Khadge Jairam ji, let the leader of the opposition speak. I called you because he was not there.
Sir, these are the things. When opposition party puts 267, we request you, not the government. And naturally, the government will not agree with our proposals.
Sir, I want your view on this. You don't agree?
The Manipur case, we want to discuss.
Fine.
Manipur case, we want to discuss because
nothing will go on record except
important.
This. No, sir, nothing will go on record except this. I am seeking your enlightened view. I am seeking your guidance on this issue. No, sir. No, all right, sir. Nothing will go on record. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That's not the way I expected. I want limited response, your counsel, your guidance, your enlightened view on this 267, which is very important because it concerns youth of our country. It concerns with a sector where these people are in a silo, going to coaching centers, and all those issues will come. So what is your view?
देखिए सर, नहीं, आप देखिए 267 जब कोई
no one has spoken for party.
When आप उसको,
I think Mr. Khadge represents the party. Why are you raising your hands?
No, my party people are very peaceful, sir.
Are they, sir?
Yeah.
Sir.
They are very peaceful, very cooperative,
sir,
everything.
Sir,
but
sir,
only
sir,
thing
you are
is
never wrong. But problem is you don't look back. I look all.
No,
they are irrepressible on occasions.
It is my habit to see front only, not back. So it happens.
Same my habit, sir. We should never look back. Let us move ahead, leaving the bad baggage behind.
If you go and see back, from front, people will attack.
Yes.
That's why. That's why. But you have to give chance,
Sanjay,
at least.
One second.
In some other form, you should bring immediately.
Yes, exactly. So, Sanjay, 1 second. I'm not opening up the discussion for one reason. Otherwise, I'll give you time. Because since Mr. Khadge has taken a view that he does not agree to 267, then when I have a discussion today, you can speak out. इसीलिए बोलेंगे. नहीं, मेरा ये है. नहीं. 1 second. Don't look at them. Sanjay, don't look. Sanjay, look at me. I give you permission. You don't get permission from them. Look here. देखिए
30 सेकंड.
संजय
30 सेकंड.
संजय, एक बात सुनना. माननीय खड़गे जी ने जब मैंने ये राय मांगी एंड मैं उनका गाइडेंस चाहता था, क्योंकि मेरा स्पष्ट मत है, और ये मत इसलिए है कि मेरे से पहले जो इस कुर्सी पर विद्वान व्यक्ति बैठते थे, उन्होंने इस प्रक्रिया की शुरुआत की थी कि हाउस को एडजर्न करने के लिए कम से कम मेन पार्टीज का एग्रीमेंट होना चाहिए और औरों की राय लेनी चाहिए। जब एक राय आ गई है तो 267 एडमिट नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा, इसलिए बैठ जाइए, इसलिए कह रहा हूँ। और क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, आई हैव इंडिकेटेड ऑन सेवरल occasions that 267 has to be consensus of the house. It was there on demonetization. Consensus of the house was there. Since it is not in this case, I will confer with the leaders whether I take recourse to rules 176 or rule 180, and that I will confer with them at the earliest occasion after we are few minutes in the 0 hour. And I will request the leaders to spare time for their guidance to me in my chamber. Honorable members,
House,
Mr. Khadge, I decide to settle in chamber. Earlier also you have taken a view, and chamber is used for conference with leaders of the opposition. It is a right place where discussion should take place. No, sir, I don't discuss in the house. House time is valuable. Which rule I go for? I am seeking. Please, sir. Honorable members, sir, nothing will go on record, sir. Nothing, sir. Sir, you wanted to discuss here, sir? Okay, sir. Okay. I leave it to the wisdom of the, one second. I leave it to the wisdom of the honorable leader of the opposition, whether he wants discussion today or not, one. And number two, would he want a discussion under Rule 176, short duration discussion, or a calling attention motion under Rule 180? Ultimately, I'll take a call.
on need.
One second, please, hear the leader of the opposition.
Yes,
least you also
on need 167 you take.
Huh?
267 you take. NEET Manipur.
Okay.
No,
Sir, we are not discussing that. It is not before me. Sir, it is not before me. Okay. I'll take those of the leaders who agree to help me out and agree to my request to see me in chamber may see me at all right. Finding the stance of the main opposition party from the chair, realizing the gravity of the issue, seriousness of it, the impact it has on us, we need a discussion, and the discussion will be under Rule 176 and will happen today. If you want by a calling attention motion, that option I give, and I will discuss with the leaders on this. Please.
Sir, we should include NEET also. We should include coaching.
Mr. Jairam, nothing will go on record. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, this is a very, very important issue, and I would urge. Sanjay, nothing will go on record. Honorable members as per guidelines. One second. Honorable